Here we come to the elevators at the Science Center at University of Houston, Texas. These are older Dover Impulse from the late 80s to early 90s. Finally, we got something that isn't modernized. That's right, here we go. Almost every single elevator at UH is modded for. Floor passing chime was definitely replaced. These are your older Dover Impulse fixtures, which most of the contacts are replaced with clicky ones. Here's your phone. And look at this. That right there is an added-on ADA compliant phone right there. All right, let's go ahead and switch elevator cars this time. Let's send this one up and we'll switch to the other elevator car. All right, there it goes. All right, let's call the other one. This one has no fan, so we can hear the motor. Similar elevator cab for. This one's got a long Dover buzz and it's low pitched. 2 is the only number that works. This one's got a good motor. 1. It's a similar elevator cab as the other one. It's very red, as for the school colors as Go Cougs, and along with that floor indicator. This is definitely worth filming here. Although every single elevator here at University of Houston have all slap-on mods with EPCO SSL VR fixtures or vandal resistant fixtures and innovation or whatnot. All right, let's go for one ride. These are your Dover Impulse fixtures. That's right, here we go. Got your similar ADA phone, and there's also an ADA compliant phone right there. Actually, that is not an ADA compliant phone. There's an ADA compliant phone is literally added on over there. Sorry, I got that mixed up. All right, back down to one end there. This was definitely a find, even though this is just your standard Dover Impulse. But these are older Dover Impulse, so anyways, there it goes, and that's it.